Are you rolling?
Yep.
Okay, welcome back. MC Motorsports here. I got my lizard helper helping today to film. Got the wife's car back again because it was messed up again. I'll clip in some pictures on what it was. It had some quarter damage here. Just got back from vacation with her. I found me a walking stick. I don't think nobody likes a walking stick quite like I like the walking stick, but it is what it is. Now they replaced this quarter, and as you can see, there it is. You can see where they did the seam sealer. Oh, lean it, lizard.
I'm sorry.
You weenie. Boom, get out of there. Taillight, quarter. And I think he said that the panel was from here back. It wasn't the whole thing. I could be wrong on that. I don't know. But I guess it's spot welded on, I guess. But you can see where a couple dirt and bugs got into it. One little spot there. I think it's more dirt than bugs. There's a spot there. And then right up here, I see two little spots. I'm not sure what happened there with dust. But they sprayed from here back. And I guess they did some blending at the door. And supposedly waiting for window to come out, window to go in. And I know the window was taken out. It had to be for the quarter to be replaced. But at the same time, I think the window was put back in actually before it was painted, because you can see up here, come on in with it, that there is some paint on the rubber. So I don't know. And it's on the trim down here. You can see right in there that there's paint on the rubber, and there's another piece of dirt. It is what it is. So I don't know where it was cut in here. I know they didn't just fill it with Bondo, because I can hear it. But I don't have a better video for you guys here. Hey, Boondoggy. No, you stay out of there, Boondoggy. You don't need to go in there. Because I went to the junkyard today, looked for some Scout parts, but the one I went to, they didn't have the Scouts up there anymore, so I got to go roving off to another one. So that's all for today. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.